Hello everyone, welcome back to YellowGrey's YouTube channel. In our previous tutorial, we covered what is regular expression and how to use Regex pattern, and also the next video we covered on the regular expression what is quantifiers, and also we covered all these options. Okay, and in this session I will give you a small use case. Okay, and that is very simple. We are going to extract the data from the PDF file. Okay, I'm not going to give the entire demo from the starting to end, and instead of that I will give you the demo how to extract the data and how to apply the regular expression. So here is my PDF file. Okay, this is my PDF file which contains a lot of informations, and from this PDF file I want to extract these informations. Okay, so invoice number and invoice date. So it's very simple using regex. It's very simple to extract these informations. Okay, and copy this information. Okay, I'm directly going to regex builder window, and here in this place I'm going to apply uh, all the regex pattern. Okay, and paste it here. So look at here. So there is a combination of words and numbers, and how to achieve this, how to get all this through this regular expression. Okay, and it's very simple. Here it's a literal, and here is some other values. I will remove it, and you need to choose little first. Okay, so it's going to accept the word and the value I'm going to provide. So this is the value I'm going to provide, that is invoice space and the special characters. Okay, and here it's exactly one match. Okay, this highlighted exactly one match, and followed by numbers. We need to capture these numbers, right? Okay, fine, and click on this plus icon and you will get next row to select the options, regex options. So here select the drop down, and so we need to get the digits, right? So click on digits, and once you click on digits, and it will automatically add /d, and also here you can see the expression, full expression, and it's highlighted only 3. Okay, so already we discussed about what is quantifiers and all. Please check out the previous video. And here I'm going to choose and any 0 or more. Okay, if I click this one, so all the digits, no, it's highlighted. Now we need to click on save. So we need to provide the input string. Okay, here is the previously I added the input string. So you can add all the input strings. So I'm going here, I manually copy this. Okay, copy this, and if I paste it here with within the double quotes, it will extract the invoice number. Or what you can do, and you can go here and drag and drop read PDF text activity, and you can get the invoice number. Okay, okay, let's try that as well. So go here on the activity and type PDF, and there is no PDF activity. Go to manage packages and type PDF. Click on all packages and select UiPath.pdf activities, and click on install and click on save. So the packages are installing. Okay, now you can use a read PDF text, and so then we need to provide the path of the PDF file to get the sample PDF path, I mean the PDF path of the invoice. And okay, so here I need to create a variable that is PDF text. Okay, enter, and we need to pass this PDF text into this one. Okay, okay, so here you can pass variable or PDF text. So once you added the text here, and so the pattern is here and the text is here. Okay, so we have a first match variable, and also if you want to get the collection of found match, you can create a collection variable here. And okay, so matching results, let's execute and see whether it is extracting invoice number or not. And go here debug and click on step into. and click on step into. Okay, it's extracted invoice and the matches. Now you see the invoice number is extracted. Okay, the same I need to extract the this one invoice date as well, right? So here we have a invoice date. So copy this, okay, and go back to regular expression. So already we got that this find match pattern for invoice number. Okay, I will change it. This is for invoice number. Okay, and I will use one more find match activity, find matching pattern. Okay, and this is for invoice date. Okay, invoice date. So click here, configure, and go here, paste your invoice date. So this is my invoice date. So the date 21st September 2016, this is the date on this particular invoice. For other invoice, the date and the year and the month will be different. Am I correct? So in that case, how to extract all those details? So it will be very difficult to choose here this regex pattern, literal digits, one of, not one of the combinations. So instead of that, so I'm going to use one more option. We have advanced, so where we can write the entire expression. Okay, so first we need to select the digits. Okay, so the first digits, right? So I'm going to use digits. Okay, open bracket and slash d and curly braces 1 comma 2. Okay, if I added this one and again curly braces close bracket, so it's highlighted this 21st and 2016. It's highlighted the digits, consecutive numbers. Okay, and after this I need to ignore this st, right? Sometime it is now it is 21st, and if it is 23rd, there is a letter called rd, right? So same like first, second, third, fourth, so there will be different letter no, appears here. So for that I'm going to use one more block. So open bracket, question mark, and colon st, pipeline, and nd, and rd, and th. Okay, and close it. Okay, so the first this particular thing, okay, this particular thing is about it matches one or two consecutive digits and capture them in a group. Okay, it's captured them in a group, and so this is represent the day of the invoice date, correct? And the next thing is, so this particular part is matches the original indicator, that is first, second, third, or fifth. So that is how we used to call it, right? Without capturing it, so it's ignoring it. Okay, so now I'm going to add the white space characters, because we have I can see here no white space, and for that I'm going to add open bracket, not open bracket. For that I'm going to add slash s. Okay, so that is considering the white space character, so even which is available here white space. Okay, and followed by I'm going to add I need to okay, followed by I need to get this September. Okay, sep. Okay, and how to do that? It's very simple. Open bracket, okay, open bracket slash w plus close bracket. So this matches one or more consecutive word characters. Okay, it matches one or more consecutive word characters, which means letters, and capture them in a group. Okay, so it's a represent the month of the invoice date. Am I correct? So this particular block, okay, it's represent the invoice date. Okay, the consecutive invoice date 1 comma 2, and this block is ignoring this particular part, okay, till that space. Then followed by we have a this September, okay, the letter we are the month of the invoice, okay, and followed by, so again we have a space. So for that I'm going to use slash s, okay, and it's here you can see it's highlighted. Then so we need to extract the year, am I correct? So for that I'm going to use the year also digits, right? So the same, open bracket, okay, and slash d digits and curly braces and 4 and again curly braces and close bracket. So it's highlighted 2016 because there is, it's constant, right? Year 4 digits. So again, no, I tell you this about this one, okay, this year. So it's exactly matches 4 consecutive digits and capture them in a group. So it's captured as a group, and this one captured as a group, and this one captured as a group. So this part we are ignoring it, okay. So this is how we need to add the regular expression. So if you want to check what is digits and what is the white space, you can check out the previous video. So finally we got the full expression here, okay. So this is the expression used to get this invoice date, okay. Click on save, okay. This is for invoice date. Again I'm passing the PDF text, okay. Here the first match, Control K, invoice date, match invoice date, and so I'm going to use message box again, drag and drop, and so this is per invoice and this is for matching invoice date, okay. And let's run this and see whether it is extracting or not, and click on continue, okay. Invoice date, it's extracted, yeah. Now you see it's 21st September 2016, it got extracted. So next time if there is 23rd or first, second, everything it will be extracted. Even it is, if it is March, April, January, so all the month will be extracted. So if you want to convert this September as a number, the month, and also if you want to remove this st and rd and th, you can remove it using replace functions. So however you are compatible, okay, and click on ok. And this is how we need to use regex pattern. And yes, I will cover no other couple of use cases using regular expression, how to extract this invoice to address, and how to extract these informations, or how to extract these informations and all without using document understanding, okay. So the document understanding is a different part, because there no it will extract the data from a different types of document. But if you use regular expression, so your document format should be same. So even if you are using 100 document or 5-10 documents, the format should be same as it is. So then only this regular expression, it can help you, okay.